Alright guys, so I've heard your cries and yes, I've decided to make a very mobile version of the tutorial. So this is simply going to be showing how to do the code on this. So what you have to do is the up, down, down, left, right, and you have to do that on the very edge of the screen, like very edge, or else it will not work. Because the problem is when you do it on the, like kind of like towards the middle, but that's where the B and A keys are at, and that's just kind of an issue. So you have to do it like at the very edges, and once you've done that, the B is on the left, or the right one is on the, it's like in the middle. That's pretty much it. I hope this was a little more helpful than the original video. If you want to know how to do the rest of the tutorial, I'm just simply showing how to do the code here. I have a full tutorial on my channel. It's just the PC version. Nothing else has changed. I just felt like a lot of people in the comment section were saying like it wasn't working on mobile, so I wanted to make a video to like be a little more helpful, I guess. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.